Divide x raised to 4 minus 2x cubed plus x squared minus x plus 1 by x minus 1. Synthetic division yung ating gagamitin. So, ito yung x minus 1. So, equate natin 0. X is equal to transpose. X is equal to 1. So, dito natin yan ilagay. Yung 1. Then, yung first term natin, yung coefficient ay 1. Second term is negative 2. Third term, 1. Fourth term is negative 1. And then last term is 1. So, synthetic division yung ating gagamitin. So, saan ako yung 1? Dito po yun sa x minus 1. Ang ating linear binomial. Then, kinuha natin yung root. Okay, bring down 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Negative 1 plus 2 is negative 1. Negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. So, 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. Bring down negative 1 plus 0 is negative 1. Negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. So, 1 minus 1 is 0. So, dito tayo nagsimula sa degree na 4. So, ibig sabihin, yung leading term natin dito ay 4 minus 1. So, x cubed minus, so, minus x squared. So, since 0 yon, 0, ay hindi natin isulat kasi 0 na eh. Then, yung dapat ay x ay wala yon kasi 0. So, i-bring down na lang natin yung constant na negative 1. Then, 0 yung last natin. So, ibig sabihin, walang remainder. So, ang sagot dito kapag i-divide natin ay x cubed minus x squared minus 1 gamit ang synthetic division.